What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Rowdy Player One channel. I am Rowdy, and today we have the TBR for January. We have got some pretty good books, 5 to be exact, and even got I guess you'd say, sort of a little announcement. I already have said it, but just a reminder, I guess you would say. So, let's get started. The first one that we're going to do is going to be on the old Kindle, and it's the Ballad. Oh, can't see that. The Ballad of Spricket the Bard by Sean O'Boyle. And haven't read anything about this, but looks good. I think it's supposed to be pretty dang funny by what I understand. I know Dave Lawson had said it was good. But I think me and Sean are going to get together on the channel sometime in January and discuss his book and talk about a few other things. And I am very much looking forward to that. All right, up next, we have got Lonesome Dove. Now, this right here it's technically January, but it's going to be a January-February read. I am buddy reading this with Trav's Bookshelf, some other character, and Kevin Toll reads. We're all four, gonna do this. But the plan is, by what I understand, I think the plans have pretty much been set, is every 2 weeks, we're going to read the first 25 chapters, because there's, I think, 102 maybe chapters in the book. So we're going to read 25 chapters every 2 weeks and go on each other's channel and discuss each part of it. So this starts on January 11th, will be the first one. And then 2 weeks after that, it's going to be on Saturdays, probably in the evening time. And like I said, 25 chapters, 1 through 25 will be the first one. 26 through 50 will be the next one. So on, 50 through 75, and then 75 through 102. So there'll be four live streams, and we'll get together, like I said, on each other's channels, and we'll discuss the book for each one and go from that. And then if y'all are interested in joining, come on along and come on to all of our channels and discuss it with us in the comments, because I am really looking forward. This will be my first buddy read, and can't wait to do that. Like, these guys are awesome. It'll be fun. We'll have a good time. Probably do a bunch of laughing, I'm sure. And yeah, so excited to get that started. Then we've got the ODdelic Stone by Alex Schusterman. And I'm really looking forward to this. Alex, I think he said he's got about 6 chapters in this book, and he knows how much I just love short chapters, and they don't exist in here. So I can't wait. I'm kidding. I think this is going to be really good. I'm excited to give it a shot in January. And yeah, I mean, it's going to be awesome. And Alex is a cool dude, and probably have him on the channel at some point once I get this read, try to figure out a date, and get to talk to him about it. I'm very excited and looking forward to it. Then we're going to go with Bloodwoven by G.J. Terrell. He sent this to me, this one, and Bloodbound, I think, is the second one. And I am very excited to give this a shot. It sounds so good. Too bad I didn't get the Christmas version. So I'm very excited to read this, and I may see if we get GJ in here and have a discussion about the book and talk about other things. I'd be really, really excited to get to do that. And this book sounds so good. So excited to give that a shot. And finally, the last book, which is a short one, which that's always just fine because these others are decent size. That's The Fall by Ryan Cahill. I am finally starting the Bound and the Broken series. I've been wanting to do this for months, and I never had time. I was trying to finish the Cosmere. Finally got that done. So now I can start this. I think it's what is Of Dust and Ruin, I think, is the fourth book. Now, he's got three main books and then three or four novellas. I've got for sure three novellas and the first three books as well, all on my shelf over there. And the plan is to do one of these a month. Now, if I somehow manage to get all this other stuff read, I may continue and go ahead and get a head start on, is it A Blood and Fire? Yes, that's the first book, official, book is Of Blood and Fire. And I may, if I'm able to get all this done, start on it early, because the plan is to read one book a month. So within 6 months, it'll be ready. And then like I said, I think of Dust and Ruin, what is it? Of Dust and something. I can't remember it now. But the next book that comes out, I think it's the end of March. Maybe. Is that right? Possibly. We'll say that. Somewhere between March and May, but I think it's the end of March. That way I can get that one and then get it in, because all these that I have are all from the broken binding, which, if you live in the US, I know for me it takes like 2 weeks probably. It's pretty close to it. And he's got all these are signed. I can show you that one. He drew his little emblem on it. But I am beyond excited to start this. I've heard it just literally gets better and better and better, and he gets better as a writer on every single one. And then Of War and Ruin, which was the last one he put out, is a monstrous book. I mean, it's like, it might be 1,000 pages, and I'm hoping that, I guess that one, and then Of Empires and Dust, that's what it's called. I couldn't remember that. Finally, Of Empires and Dust. I'm sure, and it's going to be bigger as well. So hopefully that'll be the only 2,000 page books I read this year. But yeah, that's what I got. I'm excited to start off the new year with a bunch of good reads and a bunch of different stuff. I know one of them, Dragon Rider, and I got a Western, and I got a what is this one? A chicken I guess you say a rooster and dragon wings, maybe? Bat wings? Dragon wings? Probably dragon wings. I've got a bard here that's supposed to be hilarious. I've got a man with a baby. I don't know what that is. I mean, just a wide variety of different things. And that's kind of how I like to do. I've decided I don't want to do like the same stuff over, like, give me 6 Dragon Rider books back to back to back to back to back. I'll get burnt out. So everything's totally different, and I'm excited about that. But so if you would let me know what your TBR for January is going to be. I've got so much to read this year. I'm starting it, with just fast running, excited. Can't wait to keep going and continue this BookTube journey as we keep growing the channel. And anyways, that's all I got. As I said, let me know what you plan on reading in January, and like the video. That really helps the channel. And subscribe to the channel, because we need more people. Keep growing. Let us get bigger and bigger and bigger. And that's all I got. So y'all have a good day. Bye.